Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our 16th lesson, angles. What is an angle? It is a figure like this way. It has two rays with the same initial point. We can name it like this way, B, C, D. Okay. These two rays are known as arms of this angle, and this initial point is known as vertex. Okay, two rays are known as arms and this initial point is known as vertex, and this portion is known as, inside portion is known as interior, and the outside portion is known as exterior. Okay, interior of this angle and this outside portion is exterior. We can represent using the symbol angle BCD. Within three alphabets we can represent an angle. This is the symbol of an angle, angle BCD. Okay, two rays arms. This initial point is vertex, inside portion is interior, outside portion is exterior. We can use symbol like this way for the angle, and using three alphabets we can represent an angle. Okay, now how can we measure an angle? One angle I am drawing, A, B, C. We have to measure this angle. We know this is an instrument. Using this we can measure this angle. This is known as protractor. Usually we are saying D. Okay, actual name is protractor. Using this instrument we can measure this angle. There is a central point here. We can fix this central point on this vertex, and this baseline. Here there is a baseline. Attach this baseline with this ray. Okay, fix it like this way. And start with 0. Be careful, this side also there is one 0. But we have to start from here. Which side is the arm? The ray. That side we have to start. From that 0 we have to start the measure. 0 here. Then second arm is on. Here it is 50. Okay. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you can write like this way, measure 50, and unit of angle is degree. We can represent like a small 0. 50 degrees is the measure of this angle ABC. One more example we are taking. This time, this type of an angle, X, Y, Z. Okay, fix the center point on this vertex and attach the base line on the arm. Okay, start with 0 from here. It is, this one is 100, this one is 110. 1, 1, 0. Measure degree, small 0, 110. This is the angle measure of XYZ. Okay, now measure is given. We have to draw the angle. Draw LMN equal to 90 degree. We have to draw this angle with given measure. Okay, for this first we have to draw a straight line using scale. Fix it like this way, and one straight line you can draw. Okay, using scale we can draw one straight line. This is the initial point, put a dot here, small dot. Okay. Now fix this dot in the center point and arms on the baseline. Okay. We need 90 degree. Where is the 90 degree? 0 here, 90 degrees here. Put a dot on 90 degree like this way. Okay. Then using scale, we can draw one line like this way and give the name L, M, N, 90 degree. For 90 we can draw like this way, 90 degree for this one measure. Okay, this way. One more example. Draw angle ABC equal to 125 degree. Using scale, baseline we can start a straight line. Using sharp pencil we can draw this one. This is the initial point, put a dot, small dot. Okay, now fix the center point on this dot and the baseline on this arm. Okay, start from 0 here, 0 to 125. Here 90, it is 100, 110, 120, 130 and 120. In between 5 small line is there, 120 and 130. It is 125. You can put a dot here. Then using scale, you can draw a straight line, arm of the angle. Okay, this is the arm. You can name it A, B, C. Write the measure here, 125 degree. This way you can draw an angle with a given measure. Okay, now there are four types of angle according to the measure. We can classify the angles in 4 types according to their measure. First one is right angle. Right angle. Right angle is an angle with 90 degree measure. 90 degree means perpendicular line. 90 degree measure is known as right angle. Equal to 90, then it is right angle. Second type is acute angle. What is an acute angle? Acute angle means less than 90 degree. X, Y, Z. Maybe it is 40, yeah, 50, yeah, 30, yeah, 15, whatever it is. 0 to 90. In between 0 to 90. Okay, less than 90. This second hand will be like this way. Okay, less than 90, then it is acute angle. And third, obtuse angle. Obtuse means if it is greater than 90, then it is obtuse angle, 120 degree. Okay, that means 90 to 180. The measure will be 90 to 180, greater than 90. That is obtuse angle. Now the fourth type is straight angle. Straight angle means the word itself says straight line. Measure here I am saying L, M, N. Here I am taking measure is 180, equal to 180, then it is straight angle. Okay, this angle is of measure 180, equal to correct 180, straight line, then it is straight angle. Okay, these are the 4 types of angles. First one is right angle. Right angle means 90-degree angle. Acute means less than 90. Obtuse means greater than 90. Straight angle means perfect straight line, that is equal to 180 degree, that is straight angle. Now, property of a pair of angles. Complementary angles. Two angles are, ARY. Okay, two angles are if the sum of two angles are equal to 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles sum. That means if we add two angles, the sum is equal to 90, then they are known as complementary angles. Examples I am taking. A, B, C, D. Okay, this one. This is 30, this is 60 degree. Then angle ABC equal to 30 degree. Angle CBD equal to 60 degree. The sum of these two angles equal to 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. So they are complementary angles. Okay, we can write like this way also. This one is 40 degree. This one is 50 degree. Add these two, 40 plus 50 equal to 90. Then we can say these two angles are also complementary angle. Complementary angle, one condition is the sum of those two angles equal to 90 degree, then they are complementary. If not equal to 90 degree, then they are not complementary. Now one more type is the supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles are equal to 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angle. Okay, complementary means equal to 90 degrees, sum equal to 90 degree. Supplementary means sum equal to 180 degree. If two angles I am giving X, Y, Z, equal to 120, ABC equal to 60 degree, then add these two, 120 plus 60 is equal to 180, then they are supplementary. If two angles I am giving measures LMN, I am taking it is equal to 115, and angle PQR equal to 85. Check these two are supplementary or not. 115, 85. Add these two, 5 plus 5, 10. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 200. It is not equal to supplementary. Okay, these are the condition. Complementary means sum equal to 90 degree. Supplementary means sum equal to 180 degree. Okay, children. Hope you can understand all these one clearly. Thank you.